Hi everybody, this is Adi from Adi's Crafts and Things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this very lovely Picot or Picot edging. Very nice and simple, so go ahead and grab your project and your hook and let's get started. Hi, welcome back. So like I said, we're going to be working on this very pretty, very simple edging. You can add this to a lot of different projects like blankets, or in this case I used it for my Harriet shawl. I will go ahead and put the link on the description if you want to check out the pattern. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and use a shawl that is on the finishing stage. So this is another of the Harriet shawls, and I'm just going to be adding that edge here. So let me show you how to get that started. You can use the same yarn obviously that you were using for your project, or you can use a different one. In my case, if you saw one of our last videos about playing yarn chicken, you would have noticed that I ran out of yarn. So I'll be using another one that has a similar thickness to just finish up that edging. So to start off, I'm just gonna start like I usually would with any project here. So I'm just gonna insert my hook onto that first stitch of my row, pull up a loop, and then I'm gonna do the first picot here. So we're gonna do a 3 chains, and then we're gonna go back to the original single crochet that you would have started with here. In my case, I don't think I did that, did I? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go here to the first single crochet, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch. From here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some single crochets just to give a little bit of space in between each picot stitch. Let's say that I want to do 5 stitches in between. So whenever I get to stitch number 6, I would just do a chain 3. And then I'm going to go back to that single crochet. I'm going to go through the top loop and the second loop over here, yarn over, and pull up a loop through all 3. Okay, I'll do that again. I'll just do another 5. 3, 4, 5, and then on number 6, I will chain 3, and I'll see if I can get this nice and clear. You'll see that there is a little post towards the top of your stitch. And then there's the 2 posts over here that make your single crochet. You're gonna go through the second one, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Nice, simple, and effective. It makes your project look nice and finished. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video. I'm gonna go ahead and teach you a variation of that picot into this beautiful little flower looking one. So make sure you stay connected for next week's video. In the meantime, if you haven't, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more content, and I will see you next time. Bye.